So, are we back now? Good now, good. Okay, that's good. That might help. I missed a good $250 move due to it. What am I saying? I missed a $300 move due to it. So that is only $1,500 profit. But I guess it's well worth $1,500 profit to keep everyone happy, right? What the fuck is this candle? Yeah, this is a candle that happens if people tell me that shit is wrong. I look at my other screen for a minute. This is exactly what happens. And to be honest, I think this has happened every single instant that I went away with my hat. So that's yeah. It's great, you know. So now yet again we wait, I guess. The Great Wall of China, the Great Wall of 88.4. Yeah, it's ben alweer, hoera, hi. It's madness. Then we go up. Yeah, I have. Listen, I look at the ugliness of these candles. Still, we're yet to see a green 5 minute New York candle. Even that second one was absolutely ugly. So let's see. Damn, spot selling is insane. Nokia still winning. The spot selling that we're seeing at the current level have I never seen or witnessed before in the history of Bitcoin. Not at to this extent, not at these levels, not with this um, ferocity. It's yeah, it's fierce. It looks like New York is gonna do what New York always does: smash it down. Just watch me retrace this complete 300 more dollar move that we're up, and go back to negative probably because buyers are not stepping in right now. But I'm convinced in the setup of a long in general. And that doesn't mean I'm married to my buyers or whatever. I think I'm gonna try just BDC as well. Then you get to know how it moves. Yeah, that's exactly the case. You cannot know how anything is moving or what anything is doing without specializing and or focusing in it. Because that's in essence what you need. Everything you want to be good at, you need to focus on. I need to put some time, effort, etc. into it. How can you expect to be crazy good at something if you do multiple things? Let's be honest. In the end, every coin moves different, guys. Every asset, every coin, everything moves different. Quite a depressing chart, yes. Not even quite. It is a depressing chart. I turn my mic more towards me. Hopefully, maybe now the sound gets better. It's becoming a bit of a daily thing. Streaming, watching paint dry, in the New York Open. Not, not getting any movement at all. So it was good from the get go. Thank you very much. But is it better now, guys? And since it's a new stream, I'm afraid you guys have to hammer that like button once again. So my apologies for that. Oh, we're seeing a green candle. And it's about to close in a minute. What was entry? My entries on the top screen, it was $87,554.80 with a position of 5.2857 Bitcoin, 25 leverage with an estimated liquidation price of 78,773.3. I like to be specific. Yeah, speak towards the mic. Looks like it's more unidirectional than omnidirectional mic. I believe you for your word there. 5 minute trend not breaking. Yeah, that's true as well. That was 80 cents meant to be said. Oh, 100%. We can better be specific than... Can you just say that again? Just the decimals, please. 5.2857 Bitcoin. $87,554.80. You also want to know the current price. $88,082.50. You're very welcome. This 5 minute trend line is not giving up. Can you explain how you like to use liquidation maps for guidance? Well, in the end, I'm a firm believer in the fact that all the market cares about is money. Money, money, money. So all you need is to know where the money is and where the liquidations are. So liquidations is what makes most money to the market maker. We all know that, right? Liquidations, if a position liquidates the full margin goes to the market maker, which means that if they liquidate 100, they get 100. Pretty damn easy. Where the most money resides within the chart, and you can use different maps, different heat maps, you can use whatever. So there's 34 million at 86, there's 38 million there. They just eaten a bit here, and all the way up, but this is only the 24 hour. If you go in the weekly, for example, for the liquidations, what's sitting here is huge, but what's sitting here is also huge. So that is very no bueno. Either of these two directions is going to get chosen. And yeah, I know. It's either up or down, yes. And we know one thing for sure, the chart moves to the right. Yeah, that's also a definite yes. I'm not trying to be wise here. But the likelihood with the higher level of liquidation, the higher amount of money there is, the more likely the market will move towards it. Also, the market skips low volume gaps. If you look at this gap on the 15, on the 30, there's a bit of money here at 88.7. On the 3 hour and 4 hour, it's almost neglectable in comparison. So what that tells us is if my price actually reaches these in-between levels, they will skip it. That's why you get these huge candles. It's the same as what we've seen here. This is where the first money is. It's either here at 85.9, 86, or it's below. And that's why price moves so violent in between as well. So the price is struggling to take out London high. It's not going anywhere. BTC will range 5 and become a stable coin. It's giving me a whiff of that, to be honest. What time you start trading? I don't know, when I wake up mostly. Ish. So yeah. That's that. How do I do this? Studio. Yeah, that's where I go. Content, live now. I don't know how I go. I don't know how I do any of this. Oh, we'll see. So yes, could you make a video on risk management? Would be appreciated if you did. Okay. I'm gonna make a lot of videos, and you guys will also get the opportunity to request videos or request certain information you guys would like to see from me. But are you guys actually gonna watch it then? Because that's something, yeah. People want a lot, people ask a lot, people are requesting a lot. And then we end up either with 3 views or something. Yeah, I am. I am. Yes, good. Good guys. You don't correlate your crypto trades with Forex market. Okay, then tell me what is the current correlation between Forex and crypto? Because Forex, gold, silver, and everything has been going straight up, and Bitcoin has been dumping from an all-time high. There's a massive decorrelation currently. Oh man, that's a 5-second retrace there. Oh, and Arrogated smacked out because of the high volume. Oh, come on, get back here. Thank you. Finally, decent volume. I waited so long for you. I missed you. Video what indicates you use and in video what indicate your use and your stretching would be good. I can't even decipher that sentence. Insert Titanic music. Yes. Think my other window needs a refresh as well. There it is. Almost up 5K. Can we push through? Is this the New York opening that we're expecting? I would love to watch videos of you. Thank you very much. We can definitely... Oh, you mean my strategy? Stretching and strategy is not even close. I started watching you since yesterday. Really like my patience. Well, you should tell my parents that I actually have patience and all my friends because I think they can hardly imagine that I have. But yes, thank you. Okay, let's see if we can take this high. If we can take this high and break out, 88.9 to 89 would be next. It's the only logical next number. If we don't violently reverse from the Great Wall of 88.4. Is this trade open since yesterday's stream? Yes. Yeah, Luca knows me. Luca, do I have patience? Or am I known as a very patient guy in general? But yes, this trade has been open since yesterday. My previous trade took 6 days. 0. Yeah. That's an accurate description. 4.8. $57K portfolio. Oh, now we're seeing some volume. It's too dangerous to add to it. Otherwise, I would aggressively add to this position because it's a nice profit now, but it's too much of a risk. What are we hitting here? The answer is nothing. So there's zero reason. If it would slow down from here, I would be insanely surprised. Like very, very surprised. It should, in theory, skip the next $200. Right on cue. Come on, come on, come on. Influx now, please. $58.6K portfolio. That's a good kind of recovery on the 5. I have to be on my phone because if I want to close partials, I need to do it there. And I am getting tempted to scrape 25% off. Yeah, I'm taking 25% of the top here. Why? Because that's the feeling it's giving me. We worked really hard for this trade, so we earned it. Come on, eat this liquidity up and continue on your mission to the moon, please. Yes. No. Bad coin. Come on. It's still not the move we would like to see with high conviction, high volume. Don't get me wrong, it's a nice break of structure and moving outside, but it's still not a retest of the 88, 89, 7-ish region, which 100% is needed if we want to see this continue anywhere. And I do want to get this portfolio to 60K today. Actually, I wanted to finish the 100K challenge this week, but it's proven to be impossible. The first run was amazing, and I could scalp. The thing is, especially with DCAing and upping the risk, as soon as I hit 50K, I'm not that far off. I only need 1-2 decent trades in order to make it. Oh, that's good volume, not a good move. What are we seeing here structure-wise? 100% buy, a lot of influx to the downside. Okay, I'm gonna take 50% of this trade now because of the 89K potential rejection. And I might DCA back in if we're hitting lower, but I at least de-risk my position now. And taken, let me see, how much did I take in total? Transactional history, realized 2,400 and 1,500, so I realized $4,000 profit as of now. Yo, Shanta, yo, Scythe X. Squeeze? Yes. I guess you should add, really. Huge buyers are coming. No, not yet. Not yet. Listen, London or New York is now straight opening after 10 days of seeing downwards movement. I'm still skeptical. Say it by my name, Raja Thakur. Okay. Great, dude. Thank you, buddy. For the market, you absolutely have patience, yes. You will be fine. Thank you. Listen, if this trade brings us to 60K profit, or to 60K port size, I might be tempted to close it. Hit the like button, guys. It's free. Oh yeah, that's a more than valid point. It's definitely free. Yeah, it's 100% free. I'm so tempted to go all in and try to scrape a $200-300 move to the upside. Let the Monday high get a sweep. Yeah. Yeah. He's more happy by calling his name. Yeah, he is. I think it will go to 89,745. Yes, it might. But 89,745 gives us another 1K pump. That is 2K more profit added to this. Then it's 48, 49, 100 profit in this trade. And that makes the total trade with the 4K off the table. It makes it a 9K profit trade. I would take that any day of the week. Here's a Shanto I know and love. Yeah. Yeah, a full-blown Legion move at 89K. That would be so dumb. Wait, okay, give me 20 seconds, guys. I need to take this. Bitcoin, be a good guy. Yeah, I'm just walking off stream with 3K profit. I'll talk to you in a couple months or in a year and see how it's going then. Okay, let's say that. Can I enter the market to trade with 100? Yeah, sure you can. You can even press the red or the green button. That's completely up to you where you feel what you're fancying. 59K, guys. 1,000 more. Then I'm having a good day. I can't. I'm unable to gauge the actual volume that will resign here. Otherwise, I would go all in here. Even up the leverage. Guys, stop teasing me with saying that the stream is laggy. I will lose my shit. 130 people here. We're finally getting movement and still we can't break the 200. It's a $300 retrace. Why is my hand twitching and... I want a DCA so bad, but I know so well what's gonna happen as soon as I press that button. Exactly, this. Just 1.5 more Bitcoin, okay? Because, you know, do it for the gram. Okay, volume, don't disappoint me now. Stream is stuttering. I have no clue how to fix it currently. If it's YouTube Live has been having issues for a couple days, yeah, it might very well be. Normally everything was fine within our live streams, so I don't know. I haven't changed any settings or whatsoever, so I think it's not on my end. Call your internet provider and ask for discount. They're nerfing your internet connection. Yeah, they might. The Great Wall of 200K, 200 views. Oh man, it's the Great Wall of 180 we first have to break. I can show you my... this is dumb. This shouldn't be the issue, I think. Short might very well be true. Screen is fine, up your internet. Bro, I have 600 Mbit. Took TP on my long baby, it's 50% of the daily wick. Yeah. I don't know if it has more in the tank. But it's still holding pretty okay. It isn't holding that bad. I made it a compliment, so that's, yeah. So we can exactly pinpoint the second I said it's not holding that bad. And I think it's approximately $200 ago from here. So did we just manage to retrace that complete pump in the single following candle? Yeah, we did. What's the plan after hitting 100K? I have no clue. Maybe 100K to 1 million or 10K to 100K or broke to rich that we trade with a couple of you guys and actually learn them trading and start the journey from there. So we have various options in our content incubator that we might go for. This is the same position from yesterday. Yes, it is. Are you also trading gold, USD? No, I'm not. Broke to rich sounds lovely. Yeah, it does, right? Oh, now I overexpose my position again because of the live stream. So it better pay out. But I just made 4K on the pump. I'm not in the mood to give it back. So we have to keep a close eye to this. It's not showing strength. It's not pushing through down yet. And as I'm saying this, I know that my level of jinxing with this is crazy. That's what CF did, 100K to 10K in 1 week low. 100K to 10K, that's not a good thing. I tried to do, I'll do it the other way around, 10K to 100K, but yeah. We're sitting above the order block. I don't want to call it good, but I'm not calling it bad either. As long as we hold, and that's a big if we hold this, we're looking good for the way up. We've taken out most of this liquidity, but given the current market structure, given the current circumstances, given recent history, it's, yeah. Let's put it this way. It's not looking good, guys. On the one hand, I believe my biggest issue currently is I believe in my long. But I also want to max short this market. Okay, I'm closing this. This might be a very, very, very dumb choice, but I don't know yet. Do you open short? Yes, I opened a short of 7 Bitcoin. Why? Because we might sweep the low. What about a challenge from 100 to 10K? I've did it 26 times in the past, and every time I did it, people with a 100K portfolio proven to me that they cannot behave like normal human beings. Secondly, it's not worth it for me, and it drove me absolutely insane. So it's never happening again. I can tell that now. It's not worth it. It's not doing it. It's not worth the hassle, not worth the headache. Yeah, also for me personally, sitting there watching paint dry with $100. Yeah, let's do one screen for us to check your leverage. It's 25x. You can see it on the top screen. I ran out of room in my screens. I'm already compressing way too much information into this one window. For now, it's holding. I only need, I don't need much of a move, to be honest. I'm actually getting nervous with this position, and I don't know why. That doesn't normally happen to me. I'm doubting so much. Where's your short position in your main? It's the one you're actively looking at right now. You can read it on the top screen, guys. Come on. And then people are asking for education. Okay, first 40 minutes of New York have passed. Most of the volume I'm seeing is green. Another question, brother. Yes, hit me. I'm going to start with 5K. Yeah, you do you. Personally, I think it was a bad call to enter short here. Thank you for your personal opinion. Agent, do they think we close yearly green or not? I'm expecting it won't. Smart from your side. Thank you. For me, it's a waste of time for me to trade with $100. It's a waste of energy, capacity, and everything around it. Oh, damn it, man. Is this actually the first time that we're gonna hold this shit? Bruh. That would be mental. What's up, Shanto? What's up, Funky Town? Don't start with 5 till you can manage 100. That's very true. Why? I'm not trusting this a single bit. But it looks so much as all the short setup we've seen. It will go up, bro. 80, 81.1 seems protected. Listen, we haven't seen protection except everything that was pushing it below 88K for 10 days. It tried to hunt the highs, but now it failed at it as of yet. Logically, this is the move. I'm just really scared because it's not a small position. And liquidity is drying up. That means a low volume push might be in the stars. I haven't been wrong this whole challenge, but this might be the first time I'm going wrong. A lot of buy volume all of a sudden. I haven't seen a single second that my trade was green. Not for a second. Should wipe Friday, Wednesday lows with that sweep. Imbalance at 80 or 87.4. Yeah, I agree. This one here. This. But as of now, it seems completely uninterested, and this pattern it's creating now normally rockets out. Time to go. Wish you good luck with the trade. Speak, yeah. Keep the stream open for Algo's views. Take care. Thanks very much, buddy. Knight in shiny armor knows no better. That's true. Come on. Do what you have been doing for the last 2 weeks. Make me proud for once. Buys are immediately stepping in. First time I'm seeing this in 1.5, 2 weeks. Look at how they're fighting with the volume. If they want to mark price up for FMC minute, makes sense to sweep. Previous week low, yeah. The low sweep would make a lot of sense. Just to get that liquidity out of the market and then shift out. But now the fact that it's been so stagnant here is... I've gone short at 89,880 as the 927 was all overbought. I can see that. I was taking a call at that point. What's the TP? I have to check, man. I have to see. If it's going to be a scalp and it's going to... Wrong chart. 87.2. So that is a $1,100 move. But yeah, with my size, that would be 8K. Look at these candles here. Were they eating the low side liquidity now? We haven't seen in weeks, man. Now all of a sudden no volume means green instead of no volume means red, which is crazy. I think the market maker is definitely in this chat. But that's fine. He can try. He can do his best. Psycho Max is gonna die trying to close yearly green. Yeah, they will. I have to be honest, I don't know what I'm seeing right now. Same as this, there's no volume and it just eats that complete downwards move. All of a sudden, red volume is being outweighed by green. Where's Mud, Quiet, and he? Okay. I'm blagging for blocks to DM to push down. I don't know if blocks would ever short. Listen, the structure is good until proven otherwise. We haven't shifted out of this little pattern. And it looks like they tried to push, but they're not making it yet. But the downside isn't making it either. So it will probably retrace up again right here now. It's just a micro range. Oh, this might be the push down. This might be what we were looking for. Might be. See, first time they retrace the candle downwards. Let's see if they can. And buyers back in control at the absolute last. The last lifeline. What's happening? Look at that red volume coming in here and not being absorbed. If they decide to hit the short button, it's going to be a doozy. Oh man, look at that green. Fighting for it. Where's Azal? It's my right hand, it's my stop loss. Yes, it's definitely fighting for it. But finally we have some movement and we have some exciting trades, right? Tactical nuke incoming. That would be greatly appreciated for me. Nothing severe, just the 1K little nukey nuke. I think I have my 25 kills. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Okay, now it's time to pay attention what we're gonna do with the price. And I don't mean blindly V-shape reverse it upwards. Oh man, volume was quick with absorbing it. Pooh. Look at that, man. Oh man, Boo's all of a sudden found... I think they have their bows again, or what? What the fuck? Every one of these single moves has been retraced and eaten alive for the last 10 days. And as soon as I think this time is... Nah, come on. This is such an ugly 5-second candle here. This one. Blocks be bloxing. Yeah, he might. Blocks might be the one defending this shit. You see now, if no volume is coming in, most of them attempted to turn green. And that is a complete dynamic shift of last week. Or even beginning of this week. 175 people here. That's nice. Welcome, guys. Come on, give me one good dump. Why am I seeing green volume at this Pico bottom again? You cannot make this up. How many entries did we have that were absolutely gatekeeping by now? So how am I always managing to enter at the absolute Pico level that has been held by the market? Because it's on the dollar, my entry. On the dollar. It's mad. It's absolutely mad. Look at how it's trailing down and not breaking. It has broken every single move into this, and there's zero support at this level. Absolutely zero. So there's no reason for Bitcoin to hold here. Yet again, look. Zero. Zero reasoning. You're shorting? No, I'm longing, and that's why I'm wanting it to go down. Dumbass question. Why do you like to stream your trades? I mean, me and other people will surely disturb your mindset upon the trades. Why not? I thought it was time for crypto Twitter to finally do something decent again and learn people how to trade and stream how they trade themselves and take away all the bullshit that there is in the market. So that's mostly my goal, to piss off crypto Twitter and to show that it can be done different and that trading is the essence again, instead of just waiting to break it down. Yeah, I don't know. For me, it doesn't have to wait, to be honest. How much did you make the last trade? 4.5K-ish. Bro, I see red volume and green candles. Like the stream, please. Yes, like it. Thank you. If you like to see me rage at Bitcoin, now is a good time to like it. You see how that candle jumped without having 000 volume? They're so keeping it here. It's a new fucking pet. Bro, let me give you 1,000 and you trade for me and we split 70-30. Yeah, I'm good for my own 1,000. Thanks for the offer. Yeah. Offers from 1 million and up we can consider, but below that, no. Let me give you 1,000. Sitting here in a 7 Bitcoin position. With still half my margin left. What are these candles? Oh, you must be joking. You must be absolutely joking. Look on my screen on my entry and look at the absolute bottom of these candles. That's mad. That's mad. What happened there? Is volume somewhere else we don't see? No. It is legitimately moving without any volume. Yeah. That was the last dying breath? I don't know about that, man. How are you still negative? Because I'm in a short, maybe? You tickle my funny bone. So me up a double shot of whiskey. 166 viewers. Ooh, is that actually true? 169, 170 viewers, guys. Are we gonna break our record? Bitcoin at least is gonna break my mental health. Is watching you. Yeah, long since yesterday at 87.5. I did too. I closed my long pretty well, made 4K, and now I'm just sitting here getting absolutely amazed by the market maker. Where have these candles been the last 10 days? Has any of you seen them actively pull this off? It's easy, I'm watching. Yeah. GG, bro. Vamos. Yeah, it should go down, not up. Yeah, it's crazy. All of a sudden, everything is turning to green and everything is looking like it's gonna absolutely fly. As soon as I press the short button, yeah, they were waiting for my short position. Yeah, it might as well be. It's crazy. This is really crazy. Also, the volume. Bears have left the chat. So I might just flip this a max long 15 bitcoins. Look at this. Now New York can't even retrace. So we went from not being able to break 88K to absolute massacre. Look at this candle structure here. This one is again a casual 0.25% up. What is going on? It has no volume. I was always long. Yeah. Me too. Or did I really get baited into a short? Not gonna lie, look at it fucking fly. $1.9 million pressuring down, huh? Bro, Bears have left. We're about to flush. Yeah, you guys seem pretty certain, man. Look at this candle, man. 0.3%, absolutely zero wick to the upside. Zero. Not a single cent. Not a cent. What's your TP as you're short? It's just a small move that I wanted to scrape that was 87 too. And I'm getting ass whooped for it now. Oh, alright. This is what I like to see, but now with conviction, please. Listen, Bitcoin, you have practiced this move 400 times in the last 2 weeks. And now all of a sudden it's holding. I'm actually amazed. It's still up 3K. Yeah, that's true, but this is just annoying because it's not making sense. And I have the it's like a characteristic thing. if things don't make sense, I cannot really cope with them fairly well. And this currently is definitely not making sense. See, there's no volume, nothing. And it just jumps. Look at that jump. Look at that volume of this candle that even turned green here. And look at these. Nothing there. Absolutely nothing. Entered the short 88.506. So we can rage together. Yeah, probably. Oh, there we go. Blind fucking pump. I've rarely seen something that doesn't make sense like this. This is absolutely crazy. Not only doesn't it have a reason, it also doesn't even have volume. But it keeps on making lower highs and higher lows and higher highs. Like it's absolutely nothing. How much do you have in your account now? Like 50-ish K. Gave back some of it. 54. Fuck! This genuinely annoys me. With the yearly closing, God knows what will happen. Bro, normally... Look at how it's walking away, man. This is a 0.4% non-volume driven move. And if I say non-volume, I mean no volume except sell volume. Look at this sell volume. It's sell volume, guys. 2 consecutive green candles on sell volume. Something wants to keep this going up. Or at least something is keeping this going up right now. And it's not volume. It's also not order flow. $182 viewers. That's I think a new all-time high. So thanks everyone who is new. Thanks for joining in. Today we have Bitcoin behaving like a shitcoin and me actually raging at it, which is a first. Yeah, bears are not doing anything. Everyone should keep in mind that Shant has a lot of mental room given that he has made 50x in the past streams, so he doesn't need to close and walk away with profit if it is not a loss in context. Yes. Told you, bro, the smart money diversion from Go to BTC. Bro, you told me what? Like, it's so easy once the trade goes to minus 2K to say, oh, I told you, oh, I knew it, oh, I saw this coming. Guys, I more than 50x'd my money in 2 weeks. I don't think I told you is at the right spot here now to be, yeah, personally. Listen, I haven't had a single second in this trade where I had enough fees to close it for my money, or at least enough profit to close it for my fees. So yeah. And again, it's bought up, and how it's bought up. Cross-correlation, cross-market correlations are tricky. Golden stocks ripping, also not usual. No, definitely not. Oh man, this is the first 30 seconds of the new candle. What the actual fuck? Okay, I guess. Yo, market maker, I'm pressing the long. Bro, this is ridiculous. New York Open being actually fucking bullish. So now New York is unable to pressure down without having volume in the chart. So the volume hasn't changed. Only New York changed its mindset about, yeah, never mind. So I press short for the first time in 11 days. And it's the first time that the chart actively walks away like this. It's the first time I've seen this happen in 12 days. 12. Where we haven't seen a single retrace of this move. That's madness. Absolute madness. Yo, Odell, how are you? Everything is being bought up. Everything. Up 10K. Okay. Better close. Guys, listen, if you all want to trade for me, just deposit 50K and show me how it's done. Until that point, I prefer to trade myself. Thanks a lot. Yeah, New York indeed is aiming for a yearly green. So now I only need one decent rejection. But it's not rejecting anything. Why did you open a short? Because normally it's a New York stop hunt. And then we reverse from New York. But apparently the stop hunt wasn't a stop hunt. And we have been down 11 days. You should hold long. Buddy. Really? Yeah, Bitcoin's going by itself again, man. Should have hold long. And then this is a good example. People ask me why I don't do 100 to 1K challenge yet again. Nothing against you, Umara Ahmed, but I think you're the average contestant of a 100 to 1K challenge. And that is something that, yeah, it will actively pissing me off. Stay strong? Yeah, I'm always staying strong, man. No issue. At least we have some feasible content now, right? One on 80. No, Shanta, they just rage bait and exit liquidity for us. Oh, there might be. Funk down, lol. Yeah, indeed. Lol. 181 spectators. Yeah, that's good. It's the first time we're down, and now all of a sudden people come in. That's hilarious. So pour down, viewers up. Is that the correlation? Okay, Bitcoin, this is the time where I want to see you do your thing. And your thing is not pump. Remember? Late long squeeze is coming in. It's on the way, bro. Let's keep short. It might be. But again, I'm not feeling confident. Ridiculous, what's your stop loss? What stop loss? My stop loss is manual in this one. That's how it typically is. Yeah, it is. It lost so much momentum. Michael, what are you seeing? It lost so much momentum. And as I say, it loses momentum. It just forms this green candle. But I'm in mid-sentence. It's losing momentum. Crazy. BDC is going to take out 90K today now. Okay. So I guess everyone is longing then, right? If you lose 50K, views will be through the roof. Yeah, that might be happening. Now, honestly, everyone got opinions after candles form. They stay quiet before anything happens. Yeah. It's, I don't know. Also, if you're wrong, all of a sudden it's capitalizing on it. It will pump to 94K. Remember how yearly is supposed to end green? It's not supposed to do anything, man. The market can do whatever it wants, trust me. I'm not liking this structure again. Poof. Okay. I guess we don't need volume after all. Volume is overrated, guys. You can just do it without and whatever you want. If you flip the chart upside down, it looks pretty perfect short. Since when did people get humor in here, by the way? 198 viewers. That's nice. Your volume getting the smoke. Yeah. I guess so. Hey, wait, are you shorting the market? Yeah, I am shorting. 194. Ah, 6 more viewers. So, my port is under, or at least as soon as I... Bruh. This annoys me so much. This is mad. Look at the lack of volume there. Fuck this shit. Like, for real. Yeah, watch me get massively, massively fucked here. Look at that 5-second recovery. Holy crap. Something is very, very, very hard trying to keep it here. That was violent. Absolutely violent. Kids, don't try this at home, by the way. Definitely don't try this at home. Dairy bit stepping in on short. That's what I like to see. Oh my god, how they eating that 5-second again. Holy crap, stop eating all of the liquidity without fucking volume. What am I seeing? Coinbase buying? Oh shit. Yeah. Wait, I pressed close, right? What the hell is this? Fuck me. Bro, it's not letting me fucking close this trade. Oh, that's so annoying, man. That's so annoying. So the exchange now, that won't have any bearing, man. That's so bad. Be careful because you're revenge trading. Yes, that's 100% true. Okay, Bitcoin. Then now let's show me what you're made of. Now your long is gonna reverse. Yeah, it very well might. I'm just pissed by the extra 1500. That's mad. That's $1,500 because I couldn't fucking close it. But yeah, I can't even explain what really happened there, to be honest. So that doesn't make it easier. But yeah. Time to reverse after SFP. Pump it. Yeah, it better pumps it now. This should have been almost up 3K in the previous loss. Should have been smaller. But yeah, because I wanted to instantly reverse it. Start up the stream. Let's see a P&L. What is he saying then? Sorry, I tagged wrong guy. Alright. I don't know. My P&L is on the screen, man. So sellers are stepping in now, which is logical since I flipped my position. It's a 10 million push that's not breaking out. Rough. Really? Come on, buyers. Show me what you're made of. Come on. Then show me that you have actual strength. It's fun how all of a sudden sellers are stepping in again. Do it, Bitcoin. Do it. Hi guys, I'm from Kenya. I'm a crypto trader. Lost money, got liquidated, all my assets gone, and I went into problems. Can't get myself out. Bro, that's very bad of you, but I don't think if you beg for money, you're out of here. So you can watch and be here and all good, but this, yeah. Let's put it this way: this chat is not the place that's gonna get you out of your problems. Just a heads up. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Pumping, not really. Looks like it's rejecting again. Oh, what a time for sellers to step in. What an absolute masterpiece. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do this. That's it. That's it. No. Come on. Such an important candle, and now this yet again. All of a sudden, the sellers are gaining strength. What a time to be trading. I'm still salty. But yeah, losses are part of the game, I guess. Oh, if we flip this, we might be in the money, guys. Sellers are wanting it. This is my Binance USDT. Fuck him out of here. Ban him immediately. Mods, ban him. I can't even watch the charts because of that fucking scammer here. It's becoming a charity stream. Yeah, apparently I'm I don't know. These people are mentally ill or something. Just going into a random live stream begging for money and asking people for free money. Get the fuck out of here. What do I look like? I'm fucking charity. Listen, the DMs I'm getting, it's mental. I had a guy threatening me that I need to send him 50k because it would be pocket change for me. Absolutely insane. We're sending you 2 million just in case you don't know what to do with the first million. Yeah, exactly, man. I'm not Santa Claus. So I missed another $1,500 profit move just because I was trying to ban that guy. Highly annoying. Think you're Elon Musk? Yeah, go and DM Musk if he makes some more mods. Yeah, I should. Luca, I'm making you moderator as well. Here, anyways. Who else? Oh, it's actually looking better now. First time that I was looking away from screen and we did something positive. That's nice. Go short and trust it? Oh, no. But I am tempted to take profit on my long here. It's not doing anything again. You see, now this is low volume dumping. Now there's no volume and now all of a sudden it's red again. And that is something it has been doing for the last 2 weeks, except when I was in my short. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Oh yeah, now we have volume, huh? Bro, I waited for sell volume a fucking hour and a half. And now it's gonna hard reject? Why can I never have nice things? Red candles at the high. It's a new hourly opening. The previous candle turned red as well. It's not looking good, guys. It's like definitely not looking good. It's the order flow indicator. It's not an order flow indicator. It's live aggregated volume. Bitcoin is straight up robbing me. Bitcoin, you've been pumping for a good part of an hour with conviction and volume. What happened? Zero point 0.35% spot move. Bro, I didn't lose 4.5k today. I closed my long for 4.5k profit. And listen, don't fucking tell me what to do unless you're putting your own money and your own shit into this. Otherwise, just watch, enjoy or don't enjoy, I don't care. But stop telling me what to do. I swear this guy might be one of the worst traders I've ever seen. Bro, I made 50k last week. I don't know, but we can go head to head in a competition as well if you want to. I'll just set up a trading competition and you guys can trade against me for whatever time frame you would like. We can do that and live stream that if anyone is up for it. But then you guys have to put your money where your mouth is and show actually how fucking good you all are. Because apparently I'm surrounded by absolute gods of the Bybit leaderboard. I don't like keyboard heroes, man, or keyboard warriors. I never had it in my life. I don't need to ban them, but it's, listen, sitting there, oh, you're the worst trader I've ever seen. Yeah, this and that. Listen, guys, I won multiple trading competitions. The last 4 I participated in. I've been Bybit top 10 for multiple years. Do not talk to people like that. How am I talking to people? People are talking to me, man. Retro motion. I don't know. What way am I talking to people? I haven't disrespected anyone. I haven't said anything bad about anyone. Shanta got some humor, yeah. Apparently people have... Oh. Listen, there are... That is... For me, it's insane that people come here and you need to chill a bit if you're losing. No, he says you need to chill a bit if you're losing and frustrated. So he's probably talking to me. How long do you think this pump will go for? I don't know. Thanks for streaming this, Spider. And golfing candle. Chill, dude. I am chill. I'm just annoyed by what certain people think that they can do, or who they think. Not that I'm better than anyone, but as long as you don't put skin in the game or show me how good of a trader you actually are into an actual argument with you guys. And like I said, I invite everyone to hop on a live stream and live trade against me. And we'll just put 5K, 10K, 100K, whatever you want. Thanks for the stream. Keep it up with the positive comments. Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm fine. My trade is up 1500. I'm chilling. Don't be sad. I'm not sad. You take frustration on bad comments, just ignore that. You trust your skills, you're a good trader, but if some bills say shit for them. Yeah, but it's about respect and about the overall community. And I'm for happiness and that everyone should be able to share everything they want to share in good and in bad times. And I want support. So that is what I try to inflict here as well in the live streams. So if people try to break that or do something against it, I get frustrated. Has nothing to do with the trade. I can sit here and lose 20K and I would be fine with it. But it just don't take it out on me or whatever. Because if you wanna talk the talk, walk the walk, you know, I'm fine with that. And there might be people who are actually better than me. GG's. You won. You might beat me. Whatever. Yeah. Possible, right? Why am I getting all these emails? As of now, we're not looking good. We're not looking bad. As of now, we're looking. They're re-suppressing this 5-minute, man. 211 viewers. That's good. So we broke the viewer all-time high. Thanks, guys. So as soon as we reach, we go above. That's peculiar. But that's fine. I just need one green candle that leaves my screen. That's a good start. Ze willen mijn stem smoren. Come on. Zoom in then. Yeah, I am zooming in. I zoomed in my body. It keeps rejecting 89, man. I don't like that. Give us some hope here, man. When you exit. When I see a very hard rejection like we just had, but we recovered it. Or when I think I've had enough profit. Or when I get tired of it. And I must admit I'm getting close of getting tired of it. $89 is the new $88, yeah, apparently. It's the great wall of $89 now. The only problem is all of the instances that we have done this range against the high point, which is, to be honest, not even that much of a high point. It's completely smack that middle range. We violently dumped from it if we couldn't break it. But this is the only order cluster that's holding us here, which to me is absolutely neglectable. So the fact that we are printing these kind of candles red from it, no fucking bueno. So it deserves higher, indeed. But if we start rejecting from weird points, it's normally not a good sign within the market. No, again, it's a $100 rejection. Santa rally. Take 3K man and show that's very good profit. It's back to minus fees below a K. Ugly 1 minute. Very ugly 1 minute. It's not pushing, so it even turned back to neutral, and now it's pushing down. I just feel like we're getting fucked again, man. But I mean, absolutely fucked. Why are we rejecting off this mid-level? Here's absolutely nothing of historical presence. Nothing. This shifted out, this shifted out, this shifted out. Nothing. Yet we're choosing this point here, the lowest liquidity within this range cluster, to start rejecting. Hey, no, I need to keep the stream open because if you do the opposite of what he does, you get rich. Yo, Michael, I'm gonna mod you, and from now, all of those hilarious guys, just get them the fuck out of here. So, thank you. You're out of here. Finally got banned. Yeah, I was trying to figure out how it worked, to be honest. Took me a bit of time. Finally. What the fuck is up with people today? I don't know, man. Maybe they had a bad Christmas or they didn't get the presents that they wanted to have, or looks like they're getting salty. Oh well, that happens. We move on. That's good volume. That's a good candle. Nice retrace of the downwards. Which is screen to the right with the buys and sells. It's arrogated trades. That's a good candle. Come on. Now is the time, guys. Come on, push that previous high out. Oh man, don't reject here. Ah. That would make even less sense to stop here. When you ever get your phone rings, look at my phone and I get shocked. Yeah, I put it on silent. I don't know what's happening. And also why my Mac is running it as well. That candle was hard fought. Come on, Booze. Give us all. Give us all, Booze. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's rough. You can just feel it, right? The pump. Bro, it's that took so long to close again. Yeah, how are we doing? We're doing good, man. That took so long. I might have made a mistake and closed it way too early, but that made 4,800 and the loss was 46. So we are back up on the portfolio again. Oh yeah, I definitely might have made a mistake. But I don't mind, to be honest. After fees, we're back to 56K now. Our bank is in the name. No. The thing is, I will check with the team what's actually happening there. It might be that it's on the wrong setting or something, which is possible. Yeah. So I'm not accusing them of anything. It's I just have to see how the settings are and everything around it. Okay. What now? Why not trade and buy? But I can't, man. From where I am, I can't trade on it. You closed? Yes, I closed for 5,500 profit. Watch it fly now. It's okay, bro. You've made money. Yeah, we made money today. That's what is most important, right? That we are actually making money. Listen, for my ego, I would like to see us reject here. Even though it makes absolutely no sense to reject here. When short, I don't know, man. So yeah, that would be great. Whenever you want, it's the red button, dude. Just start $100 account on Bybit and see how long it takes to stop making bucks on the max 10x. I'm curious to see that as well, to be honest. Okay, lights, guys. Do we want to have a max C gamble and see if it actually rejects here? What is max C running now? Might need to refresh that page. I'm finding a good position at my desk because my hand is hurting from moving my mouse that much. Yeah, I know it's first world problem pains. Still 170 viewers. Very nice, guys. Insanely nice. And a few haters, which is also first. Once you open, oh, you see the dollar signs. This might actively destroy me, this position. But that's why we use the 1K account, right? To have a bit of fun. It would surprise me if it rejects here, but it would be hilarious. For the current market's behavior, we've taken a lot of shorts already. 10 million. I need to have something to drink. I'm happy we made the money back. Now we can rescale and make sure that we reposition ourselves, not from a crazy entry or whatever. We will just hunt decent setups again, instead of the semi-revenge trade. Guys, don't follow these trades on this account. It's my 1K having fuck around find out account. And I might blow this up during the stream. That would give the haters some more fuel. That's revenge trade for the profit. Yeah, might be. No, I think the profitable trade was the revenge trade, to be honest. Honestly speaking. I'm betting on a continuation of this. Bitcoin is betting straight against me in 5 seconds after I pressed the button. Straight. Yeah, I repaired multiple accounts with revenge trading. That's insane. I insanely revenge traded certain ranges and certain positions, more than I'm happy to tell, because revenge trading normally isn't a good thing. But I think I had a 100K account that went down to 15, and I brought it back to 150 in 1.5 days. Yeah. I guess that's where the 2.6 mil go. What 2.6 mil, man? Yeah, man, AVAX fuck up by yeah. Might try short at 9,500. Yeah, it might be a good short. But the thing is, it's stagnating here as well. Whoa, yeah. And now we sit and wait and watch the paint dry or the paint kill us. Not much in between. Can we get a retrace? Is it finally time to retrace? It's good to see New York bullish, don't get me wrong. I just didn't want it to be today. You know? By the way, guys, we're still with more than 170 people watching, which is amazing. Also, please let the likes reflect that amount as well. That would be even better. Yeah. It's free, right? If you hate me, you can also do thumbs down or something, whatever. Shanta, can I trade the market with 100? Listen, you can trade the market with whatever amount you like to, or whatever amount you feel is comfortable for you. I'm not here to tell you what you can do or what you can do. I would not, and if $100 is a lot of money to you, I would strongly advise against entering here with $100. 50 min above 100 buy. 50 minutes still that overextended. 100. Yup. Interesting. Open trading view with 10K account. Why? People who trade on TradingView, it always looks fake. And you have no way of checking if they're actually putting the money in the game, or actual skin in the game. With this, at least we 100% sure know that I'm making the money or I'm losing the money. No demo, no fakes, no nothing. Real money, even my own real money. And we go at it, you know? I think that's the proper and almost the only way to do this. By the way, what? How many fees? I need Bitcoin to dump almost a K. You're shorting or long now? I'm shorting. Oh, I didn't know you were saying it to that guy. How we doing, G? We're good. We're good. We're break even for the day. I had my first loss in the challenge. So now at least you guys see me lose as well. Actually, I'm still up 4K for the day. What am I saying? What car you drive, brother? I'm waiting on my BMW M5. That's getting delivered in 3 days on my birthday. So that's really nice. Come on. For my mental health, for my ego, and for my feeling of wanting to be right, dump from here back to the 88 to 80. That would be great. Yo, if this trade would make 2 or 3K, does it count for the challenge? Congratulations. Thank you so much, man. Happy for you. Thank you. I'm very, very happy about it myself as well, because it's the first time I bought a completely new car. They can do Android trade streams with the M5. Yeah, I could, but I won't. Why not M4? Because I like the M5 better. I think the M4 is completely overpriced and not that good of a car. And I like more spacious. Not that I have a family, but not a family of my own. So yeah. But I'm not gonna annotate that thing. $88K will come. Oh yes, it will. It's just a question of when. Now every retrace look like it's forming support instead of resistance, which is new. I'm not saying I like it. I'm just acknowledging it that it's there. You see that these candles for the first time in so long have wicks to the downside and then get eaten by buy side liquidity. It feels like this. It might be the start of a market shift. It's a touring. I like the touring more because it's a bit more unique. And then with the full carbon parts and full Acro Provage exhaust. In the color Nardo Gray. I'll send pictures when I get it. Let's see if they sell this. Bro, it feels like they're not selling fucking anything. I'm glad that I switched long. I'm glad that I got out where I actually got out. It was a good choice. What is this trading platform code? On the top right is aggregated trade. It's completely free to use. On the left it's L-Bank. Yeah, nice snipe. Might be. I'm not out of the woods yet. I don't even have my fees back yet. So this helps me in recovering my fees. We haven't made a loss on the 1K account either. I think the 1K account should be sitting at 2.5K right now. If you calculate all the trades we've taken. I can try to limit close this, but I done the same. What about an electric? Hell no. I tried electric, and especially with the weathers and the temperatures in the Netherlands in winter, the range is shit. And I love cars, man. I absolutely love cars. So getting an electric for me, it's nah. Why does AGGR always have a brilliant timing to... Yeah, that's what I meant. Brilliant timing to freeze. I could see it because the inflow stopped. Oh, I expected more of that. This stuff, man. Still 175 people, guys. It's insane. It's the best stream yet. And the first time I took a loss. What a day, what a day, what a day. Love your stream, Shanto. I want to increase my leverage ratio, but it's set 2 to 1 automatically by my broker. I don't have a lot of experience with brokers, to be honest, so I can't really help you with it. Yeah, sorry. This is looking buena. Oh, we sniped the top on the closure, and we're sniping the top with the short as well. Oh, this feels good. So to the hater, how are you doing? Should we get out for 600 profit, guys? Or shall we see if it can go lower? You know what? I'm gonna take a toilet break. And if we're still making good money on this one, then we'll just let it ride. When no one else around, don't be sighing, babe. Hello. Like the stream. That's the only thing I allowed to be typed in caps. Damn, how can he pee while leaving the zone? You just walk away and turn around. Is this? No, it's a 200x trade. Welcome back, thank you. Holy W trade, thanks. I think it's a decent snipe. You're always right. Come on. Let's see if we can break this little scalpy formation here. Okay. Most people ask, why did I close my long and why did I take this short? Well, because volume is drying up and the formation of candles is different. So as soon as I see a change in behavior, that's also why I close my short. Yeah, this is gonna sound floaty as hell, but I see shit in candles. So I see how they form and how it's reacting and how the price is either consolidating or it's a certain movement that comes from experience where I get highly uncomfortable and then decide to just go a different direction. Combined with experience, revenge trading, and being absolutely bold. You might double this account. All it takes is one more push down. There we go. Pay for his bills. There's a man in the bank to give you a loan. Oh, my picture is gone. And that's how you almost double your account. So that trade minus fees made $627 on a 1K account. And we sniped the absolute top of it. Like the absolute top with an entry price of 140, 89, 145. So yeah, or 289, 245. W trade, thank you. God bless you for sharing your journey with us. Wishing you and your family a blessed 2026. Yeah, you guys as well. Thank you very much, man. You got balls, bro. Thank you. Give him 4K and he's out BDC. 105 men now 100% sell. I bet. Drop that shit. Yo, Coopad. Let's go. We go lower. We might. Isn't the market price smoothing point not very high? How do you mean? Subscribe. Thank you very much. So on the main, I think I didn't do that bad either. Transaction history closed at 89,212. So that puts us here. We're an absolute top. That's 100 from the top. So we left the K on the table. But I would be now 500 times 13. I would be down 7K now. So I guess we're still up 5K plus for the day, guys, to be honest. Because the first trade we closed was more than 4K profit. After the first K profit, we made a 4K loss. Yeah. When are you planning to long? I don't know. Thing is, I expected it to reject from a nonsense level, which it did. But it sort of has a... Thing is, if markets start to reject nonsense levels like these, something fishy is going on. What is it doing? Why is it retracing this? It almost filled this wick imbalance. How much liquidity is laying here? $9 million shorts, 2 million longs, 30 million, 64. I want to long it again, man. Any timeline where you share as the indicator? Honest question. I don't know if I'm ever going to share it. Azipete, thank you for the subscription. Sun Nigan, thank you for the subscription. I have to check if I share it and if we share it in what way we're going to share it as well. That is, yeah. What are we going to do here? There's no reason for this structure to hold this level. Are we really gonna take a gamble and potentially give it all back to the market? We should, right? Where's the fun in staying safe? And let's be honest, I need to fuel the haters to a certain extent as well. Otherwise, they might get bored. The account, how much money you have. The main account now is at... I'll show you guys. Our bank. The main account balance is currently sitting at 55,197. And I can show you the graphs. Monthly earnings is up now 44,000, which is also the historical. And the ROI trend, yeah, this is on a daily. So this is what... it's not really calculating it correctly because I've shown you guys I made the... I started with 5,800 from the complete trading log. So this is where the account is sitting right now. Not bad, right? Not half bad. I need to DCA this. The other account, the total we ran now from the 1K challenges brought us to a total of 3,497. So the two challenges combined with the profits, etc., is at 3,500. I don't know if you could see that correctly, but here it is. Oh, you can't see it in my screen. Sorry. Yeah, you have to believe my word on it. So this one is at 55K. Man, I should have shorted that move. Whoo! That's a $500 move. $600. Oh well. It get on. Not bad is an understatement, bro. Did you DCA during your first trades? Only the first one, but I DCA'd in a different way. So I went 200 leverage and I DCA'd the margin as soon as I ran into profits. Yes, it's stupid. Yes, it's the wrong... it's definitely the wrong methodology of trading. But we need to kickstart it. Otherwise, I get brain damage from looking at it. Not bad is an understatement. Yeah, it is wild. Are we feeling lower? Ah, this is such a big guess. I didn't go through. I'm trying to fight my own order here. And yes, that order should definitely be in the order book. Come on, Bitcoin, let's run it down one more time for the fame. Not able to see the trade P&L. Oh shit, sorry. Thanks, guys. I keep switching between screens because every exchange has its own layout. So I need to actively switch between them. and sometimes I forget to press either L bank or the max C button. So my apologies for that. Please notify me if I'm doing it again. How's balance on 1K account right now? 1632. Nothing spectacular, nothing bad. Dumping, it should dump. Okay. Give me 1 minute. I need to eat in a bit, so I'm putting my dinner in the oven. But I can eat here as well. Did I miss something important? Did I make $1 million in the meantime? 120 likes. It's almost 100% ratio. Like the stream. Yeah, that's great. Meadow 4, school. Thank you for the continued support. Did you start a new challenge because you said it is on 45? One where did I set that? Dude, no. I didn't. The challenge account is now at 55,197. Moet er vandoor, maat. Dankjewel weer. Groetjes. Why would I start a new challenge? And yeah, it used to be at 45, but you thought you said that on Instagram. Yeah, but listen, it's actively being traded, huh? So when did I say it was at 45? That was 3 days ago. We're moving, come on. Ah, man, we need more downside. We still sell positive with 84% pressure on the minute. Sell 100 on the 5 minutes. That's interesting. Neutral on the 15. Neutral on the 30. Buy on the hourly. And neutral on the 4. Okay. Listen, guys, we might get our asses whooped for this $1,500 because this is such a stupid, absolutely stupid risky short. Even though there's the only thing that might hold up Bitcoin is air support. Primzas V, thank you for the subscription. Juan Chimbo, thank you for the subscription as well. Greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. What's wrong with Cross? Why are you using cross margin? I did because I didn't see that it wasn't cross. Jane, yeah, I said it was 45. Oh, I answered that already. What time is it? 54. Okay. Remind me in 10 minutes that I need to get my dinner out of the oven. Otherwise, it's going to be a house fire stream at a certain point, I guess. So what I expect is a minimum read. Oh, okay. That's better. Thank you. I want to see this move. It's not much, 0.3%, but on 200 leverage, that's 60% gain. I don't know what to tell you about these candles. This was unexpected. This one was nice and showed the right volume, and this retrace made no sense again. So within this 30-second candle, a lot of shenanigans is taking place. So soon you will be shorting on your food. I might long short whatever with my food. Man, it's gonna pump again. Why? Because this volume candle didn't do anything. Yeah, let's get out of this. Okay, we're gonna make it all back on the long. That's, bro, get the blue out of my way, please. These fees are absolutely killing. I thought Max C had 0 fees, or did they forget about the fact that they had 0 fees just for me? No, I just paid 131, 186, so that's 310, 122. So that is 420, 460, 600, 670. What the hell? I paid so much in fees. It's ridiculous. Do we want to start scaling in the main account? Good question. No. High fees on short. It's insane. Need a referral, bro. You're joking, right? I am the referral. I just need to ask my BD manager why I'm paying. Pretty candle. Funding fees are negative. Goddamn. Oh, funding negative. Just for the fun of it. That's also eating so much fees. Holy crap. Holy crap, the fees. I shouldn't take this trade. Not on the main account. You're long or short now? I'm long. Why? Because it looks to hold from an absolute no level. But on the main, I'm getting out. I'll take 200 loss in fees. It's not worth it. No, it's not worth the risk from a mid range. I wanted to long this point, not here. Okay, so that cost me 400. How do you mean? I'm always having the right bias, but my position size is over exceeding now. We have to start building. Isn't if I want to finish this challenge, I just have to build one big position. So I will get that set up, and then with the right DCA levels, and then we can do it fairly easy. You closed the short I missed? Yeah, I closed that short. Oh, Jesus, guys, tell me I'm on the wrong screen. Let's see what this one does. You close broker US suggest. Get your dinner. Oh, no, 2 minutes. Broker US suggest. I don't know what you're saying. So, really hard for me. Listen, guys, if we don't type whole sentences and type without caps lock, it makes it pretty hard for me to comment on anything. I'm willing to answer everything, but it has to be, let's start with making whole sentences to each other. Let's agree on that. Strong rejection. Let's see what happens to this trade. Why am I? Ready in 1 minute. Yeah, I will get it. Why can I never log in here? Every time it's the same shit. Drives me absolutely crazy. Because I want to start scaling. I want to start scaling with the main. But yeah. Okay, I need to get my food. Give me a second. After that, I'll promise to try and pay attention to the trading. Guess slowly turning into a cooking channel, huh? I think we've seen most of the excitement for today. Show the food. You're welcome. Shantu cooks. Guys, I can tell you one thing. I can't fucking cook. Yes, I'm in my long now. You longed? Yes, I longed. Buddy, I've seen you ask this question now 4 times. What am I saying? 5 times within my window. You longed. You longed. Either read the screen, you can see the green on the top left. Any idea when we can expect stream tomorrow? Same time every day. Around 3 o'clock. Between 2:30 and 3 o'clock CET, Central European Time. So between 30 minutes to 1 hour prior to New York opening. That's when I go live. And do my thing. When it's red, it means short. Yeah. Green is long, red is short. Do you never trade on weekends? I try to avoid it. Why are you so good? Thank you very much. I don't know. Because a lot of people counter trade me, I guess. And hate. No, it's years of experience. I'm most of the time alive during the New York session. You die in between? How are you gonna celebrate New Year's? Oh, wait. Is tomorrow a bank holiday? No, US is open. Okay, that might make it worth streaming. Tomorrow is not gonna be a long stream because I'm gonna spend the day with family. I will stream if it's open January 1st. No, January 1st I'm not streaming. I'm not gonna sit here watch paint dry. January 2nd I might stream because it's my birthday. So, do you waiting news? No, I'm not waiting news. Long or short, I can't tell. Tuda, shut up. Fucking Tuda. And we're back to watching paint dry. Bro, this market makes me sick. I can barely make any profit after paying my fees with these weak ass moves. I know how you feel. Netherlands, New York is war zone. Yeah, it is. Bro, I think Netherlands, New York is war zone. Some of you guys type more cryptic messages than I can decipher. Soon Shanto will start going gorillas on these comments. Nah. I'm composing myself and keeping my chill. Sir, buy or sell? Yes. Been there in Amsterdam. Oh, you mean like that? Oh yeah, New Year. Yeah, New Year in Amsterdam. I guess it's fine. I've never been there. Amsterdam is not really. Happy birthday, bro. What's the plan for tomorrow? Happy birthday is Friday. Tomorrow I might stream. Brox is all cryptic. Yeah, he is. Rage the Yeti. No clue who you are on Discord. Do we close yearly candle green or red? Yes. Why do I say yes? Because I don't know. How to 10 to 5K? Do you actually want me to answer that? Yeah, I'm just asking for a friend, I guess. So I thought Maxi was cheapest for fees. I'm using Killer Referral for buy Tunix, but they hard on fees too. Yeah, Maxi is cheap on fees. Why is everyone favoring Killer's link instead of mine? I feel betrayed, guys. Like, come on. So I'm at level 1. Can you tell me what these yellow spikes are under the chart? Also, what does the green graph tell you going through the volume indicator? The green graph is the CVD, so it's the actual influx and outflux of orders. You can see it as well. The more aggressive it dumps, the more aggressive it pumps, the more aggressive the things will. The yellow things are liquidations. Same as the orders here. Chat is trolling, lol. Yeah, apparently. You were out for some time. I was never out. Well, I was, yeah, I was less active. That's true. From last year's birthday to this year's birthday, what was the thing that affected you the most? Oh. Damn. I have no clue, to be honest. Akilu Ready, thank you for the subscription. Eduro Soto, thank you for the subscription. Halo Gaverida, thank you for the subscription. I have Sadi, thank you for the subscription. Primus V, thank you for the subscription. And Juan Sashimbo, thank you for the subscription. Think hard. Yeah, I am thinking hard, man. I'm almost getting a headache from the thinking. I don't know what affected me most, man. I think some internal arguments within the company, and having to restructure certain things. Oh no, I know what changed mostly or made the most impact, but it's nothing negative. It's something positive. It's my sister getting a kid, and that's also why I have his name tattooed. No one can actually read that, but it's good. So, because I find you very successful, I was just curious. Thank you very much, man. So yeah, no, nothing negative that impacted me massively. Like everyone has his ups and downs and in whatever stage of life, but the biggest impact this year was definitely my sister getting a kid and I'm being a godparent, and he's now 7 months. So it's a really sweet boy. He's amazing. It's a boy. Kyo is his name. He's a legendary. He's already legendary, man. The kid. So yeah, it's actually pretty awesome. Yeah, it is. Listen, I never thought I would. It's not even my own kid, and I don't have, at least not that I know of. But it's really awesome. And I'm telling a nice story, and Bitcoin decides, oh damn, that's a dump. And that's the human aspect, you can sit here all day and trade, but in the end, it's not all about making money. It's just about how you spend it, who you spend it with, and what you do with it. I think in the end, it's all about doing stuff together, If you're successful by yourself and you feel lonely or don't have, Biddy, what fuck? Jesus. What was I saying? Not that I know of, yeah. I'm a guy. Of course, a guy. Listen, a woman always knows certain if she has a kid. With a guy, it's always... You have a certain certainty grade. Okay, I can stream for a good half hour more, and then I really have to go. Why the sudden violence, Bitcoin? Come on. Um, yeah, we have to find some music that we can play. If anyone has any ideas about playable music, because I'm listening to music in my headphones, that'll be useful to you. If you want to also play some music on your live streams, have a look at Epidemic Sound. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I'll get that later. Because yeah, I think it's definitely useful and we need that. See YouTube tutorials about what? After High says first work, the rest is up to you. Instead of showing a cartoon, explain your setups. Moerten, you're not making any sense to me, buddy. Vivaldi. That's funny. You can stream on Twitch. You can play anything there. Yeah. I don't know how Twitch. I've never seen someone big with trading or whatever on Twitch. I also don't know how many of you would convert and actually come to Twitch. Why? Oh, Bitcoin turned into a shitcoin again. Oh, nice. Poured back to 700. Why? Because we kept on gambling. And yes, I said gambling because it had absolutely nothing to do with trading. We don't need to convert for that. Spammed it. What are you spamming? Think it will jump back? Jump what back? Yeah. I have Twitch. I watch it on Twitch. Yeah, we have to see. I meant that since you have boys. Bro, I don't have boys. Did you miss part of the scream? My sister has a boy who is now 7 months old. So I don't really think that he is the right guy to teach trading right now. Might be slightly on the younger side of the spectrum. This trade is going to my liquidation. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this liquidate with the margin that is left after closing this. There's like no honor to be made. Yeah, we could do Twitch or Kick, but first I want to see if I can grow YouTube. You have a daughter and you're long, right? Yes, exactly. I have 7 daughters, 19 dogs, a pet parrot, a pet snake, and I'm longing the market. Yes, exactly all of it. Well, people, I swear. Best humor, yeah. The thing is, man, like, come on. Listen, I think I'm gonna stream on Disney Plus because some people are still believing in fairy tales, and I've seen fucking fairy tales within my chart. I guess it's a pretty nice dump. Also, no one cares about Kick or Twitch. Yeah, I'll find a way to put some music on, or we just only produce one AI song about trading that just loops the whole freaking live stream. Long bro just asking for a friend. Uh, tell your friend he's an asshole. Now I'm gonna take a bite of my food. If you guys hear me chew, let me know. I will turn it. I don't know what I'm gonna do then. Just the sound of crisp. Oh shit, man. Yeah, guys. So just to recap, I have a snake, a turtle, 12 kids. I'm homeless. I drive a Honda Civic, and currently I'm short on the market. Any questions? I just bought an M4, yeah. Oh my god. No, I normally I only trade altcoins. What about your pet shark? You mean Bubbles? Yeah, Bubbles is doing good today, man. He's in the shower right now. They showed last month performance chart. So monthly was so guys, take a screenshot and a good look at this for everyone that is saying that this challenge is fake. What year Honda Civic? In 1997, man. Hater said it's a green screen or demo. Nah. These are not realized, so this was, I think, drawdown. I don't know how they calculated. This is also still off. I can also show the whole trade log and everything. Look, so the 4,800 profit realized, 4,000 loss out of fees in between. 416 profit, 2400 profit, 1500 profit, 300 profit, 2400 profit, 1000 profit, 1700, 1000, 2100, 5100. Yeah, we're gonna do this on live stream. Fees. Futures bonus that later also get deducted again because I don't even know where they came from. Like you can see here, they deducted them immediately again. Weird as fuck. 700 profit, 186 profit, 297 profit, 600 profit, 1700 profit, 1900, 2100, 6000, shit ton of fees again. 500 bonus again that gets deducted. 500, 917, 500, 1200, 400, 8000, one of the bigger ones. The 219, 600, 4500, and the moment the funds transferred in and hit the account after day one, the 5879. So as you can see, I only have taken one loss this entire trade, and that was today. But before that, and that's why I'm still up for today, but that's why the mat's not matting. Like this is 200 profit, right? This is 400, it's 3900, 4300 profit, you know? And then future bonus recovery, whatever it is. I don't know. So yeah. Total assets 54,500 currently in this account. Let me guess, I missed the complete move again. Now we just need to do that. Need to do the first two trades again from 1K and hit the same home runs. When sent a Netflix documentary, that would be hilarious, to be honest. I think there's a market for that. So Netflix, if you're in the chat, feel free to hit me up. We could have some fun together, I think. You closed. Are you on long? Yes, I'm long. On a 200x, just playing around. Okay, I'm gonna explain something to you guys. You see that part right here where my cursor is? If it's green, it's long. Roofing with Tom. Netflix wants to know if you're long or short. Tell Netflix I'm going Amazon Prime. Jesus Christ. W chat, man. W chat. It's so bad. Shanto, are you one scammer? Do I look like a guy that is running a cell phone scheme or something? Or listen, I don't even have time to scam people, man. I'm just sitting here live trading all day. Do you still use Bybit? Yes. Are you number one scammer? No 3, no 2. This is turning into a very interesting stream, guys. Okay, I have like 25 to 30 more minutes before I need to leave. It's absolutely hilarious. Bro is running a trafficking scheme. He has a snake, giraffe, whatnot. Let's not talk about the elephant in my living room. Chat has some mental issues. Yeah. How long you hold your position? Well, this one until it liquidates or prints me 2.5K. Yeah. The other ones, it depends, man. My previous trade was 18 hours. The trade before it was 6 days. The man himself trading. Thank you. Shanti, you should join politics. No, I shouldn't. Trust me on this one. And like, trust me? I shouldn't. And I don't feel like going into political debate on a live stream. That might get me cancelled. Shanti for you as president. No. Oh no. Definitely not. That's a sick wig on the 5-second chart. Is this the pump we have been waiting for? Dutch US president before GDA 6. That might actually be true. Laughing my ass off. Shanto, king of the Netherlands. What happened with this stream? We went from hating to making me president. There's no in between, is there? I wonder how Bubbles is doing. He's taking a long time in the shower. My shark. We definitely need some music. Am I actually gonna sign up on this on live stream? Yeah, whatever. Yeah, this doesn't sound like a good plan to do on live stream, is it? I just know if I look at my credit card afterwards, that 90. What call of E63 you bought? I'm not the sole owner of Scalbags. We have investors, and Valo is also co-owning it. And as of in the near future, the traders will also co-own Scalbags. But yes, I am the founder and majority shareholder. Non-copyrights music on YouTube. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, give me a second. Forbidding information. Oh, I can do Apple Pay. I'm fixing it, guys. But I don't feel like disclosing my address here either. Shanto, are you of legal age to trade? No, I'm definitely not. Yeah, I might have fixed it. Okay, now we have to get this to work in the stream as well. Cinematic creative picks, no trending music. Some electronics. Can you guys hear this? Is it too loud or is it fine? Is it, if it's too loud, let me know, okay? Is my voice also still? Which trade on Scalbag should gravitate most towards? I like Valo, I like Rami, I like Blasto, I like Nick, I like them all. Who had a better career, Federer or Djokovic? Bro, it's... I don't know if they're one-on-one comparable. And I think it's good that my mic is not really picking up. It's not picking up the sound, is it? No, the ambience feels way better. Yeah. If we don't break 300 viewers soon, I'm lost for words. Wait, what? No, it's not a bug. Hello. Metaphors cross. What the fuck? I think that's CZ fat fingering a button. That's crazy. That's truly crazy. No, you can see it on the screen. It's open, lol. Nice ChatGPT description. Yeah. The market makers in an LGBTQ party. I don't know where they're at, man. They're definitely not here. Was out of stream for some time. What profit loss you did at your previous trade, which entry was 88.8 or something. On this, on my fun account, I made like $800, I think. I can check for you. I screenshotted it. I made $870 before fees and taxes. And on this account, I'm not doing anything. I showed you guys all the graphs. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. I just can't wait to get my new Honda Civic on my birthday. It'll be so nice. Okay, I have 19 more minutes of streaming. 80 sec. Thank you for your subscription, man. Welcome to the home club. You finally came to the right place. Not gonna lie, music is actually doing good. Taxes for cars is insane in the Netherlands. Bro, every tax in the Netherlands is absolutely insane. You have a subscription for Epidemic Sound. Yeah, thank you. I don't know what I'm seeing here, guys. Yeah, it's a chart. Fuck off. Favorite car? Ferrari 812 GTS. But that is not that it's unaffordable in the Netherlands. It's absolutely senseless here right now. Because it's 550k euro. And next to that it's it's insane. I like it. But yeah, convertible without having a summer it's mad. Yeah, what are we trading? Bro, I would not have a clue where we are going. Hey, I have a clue where we're going. We're going down. I can see that. Live in Turkey, guys. My country takes twice as much in taxes as the profit Germany makes. Come again? I might need to start scaling into a new long on my main. Not even lying. Okay, I'm gonna open that trade here so you guys can see. I don't know if I'm digging this music yet. What do you guys think? Here from Instagram. Hello from Instagram. No, Alex Stanley, sorry. We're just joking around currently. Ferociously dumping. Okay. Okay. Yeah, if people are wondering what I was doing, I was pressing buttons here. Okay. See the thing we waited for all day. Yeah, this one's liquidated. Bye. Do you think market's been so boring this month? Yeah, what's the definition of normal? I have, listen, the way we have been trapped within this range has been insane. I have to agree with you there. But I haven't seen any other proper PA during the Christmas holidays ever. And trust me, I go way back. 6 Bitcoin per... Holy fuck a dog. Yeah, that's the max margin I'm gonna put in this trade for now. Aggressive red, yeah. Hyper aggressive. We were completely on the money with what we expected that would happen. But this is some very, very aggressive selling. Listen, since we turned on the music, guys, it's not getting better, huh? Yeah, I'm long again. Should have waited with scaling this. Long again, yes. So the thing is, especially with this liquidation at 82, I can survive so much, man. Or I dropping, not interesting. Yeah, this. Or it's going for it. All we need is a 1.5k pump to make it to 70k. How hard can it be? Like, come on. It's nothing, right? Right. Right. W music, no stop loss. Why don't we wait for the reversal? It's so much funnier to just try to absolutely scalp and snipe bottoms and tops. No, I'm just... I think it's the mood I'm in, man. Because this was a very stupid trade yet again, but 88.2 looks to be holding pretty well. As long as it stays above this order block and not fucks into it. And it's a decent reaction off of it. We have to admit it. First time we've seen it do something actually decent. So we have to applaud it for it. Appreciate it. And hope that it will fuck off. Brrr. It's getting fun. No, I'm going to the movies with my parents. We're going to see the new Avatar. I'm kind of happy with this trade, to be honest. At least I made back my liquidation. This takes support back to 55k easily. Okay. But why is this not working? They're just placeholders, huh? Don't worry. Don't worry, guys, before everyone gets his pennies in a fucking bunch. Music a bit louder. Better? Is this better? How old are you? I'm 28 until Friday. After Friday, I'm 29. Fuck, I'm getting old. Yo, guys, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Spam it. Come on, just spam it. Is Bubba still in the shower? Let me check. No, he got out, so he's probably watching TV on the couch. What TP are you aiming? 90k. I might even go higher. 90.4. Or 90.6. That would be ideal, man. 90.6. Let me check. Why am I checking on my phone? Because I like that. Yeah, 90.6. What would be your SL? I don't know, man. I'll check the movement. I cannot just bluntly tell you what my SL would be here. Looking, is this true? Looking at the charts, I would say 86.9-ish. 86, yeah, no, it's too far. If we get to 87.4, I will look into DCAing, and then we see from there. I just need one good trade to hit. If this one hits, it brings us to 75K. Oh, that's a bit hyperactive, isn't it? Jesus. This one hits, it adds 20K, so 75. Then we're almost there. So if the market pumps overnight to 90.8, I'm making good fucking money. Guys, I've been online for more than 4 hours. I need to go and see, not even, I don't need to. I want to go and see the movie with my parents. And I'm going to spend some time with them. So I'm going to log off here. I appreciate you all. Listen, do me a favor, man. Leave a nice comment after this stream or hate on me, whatever floats your fucking boat. GG's, bro. Thank you for the W stream, mate. Have a great birthday and see you next stream. Thanks, Luca. Have a great time. Thanks for the stream. Have a good one. You guys have a great one as well. Still more than 100 people here. And J.K. Fit Sacramento, thank you for the subscription. 1963 AHM Andre, thank you for the subscription. Addy Hack, thank you for the subscription as well. Listen to the song I send you and let me know. I will do that, buddy. It's a good area to pump. 100% is a good fucking area to pump. Thanks, Azel Manuel. But if you want to look at something, 87.4. Take care and enjoy the movie. Thank you. Thanks for the stream. You're more than welcome, guys.